Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some more fun winter decorating ideas, and then we are going to be unboxing a really fun product, and then I'm going to share it with you while I plan out some of my Valentine's Day decor. This clip here at the beginning I wanted to share with you guys because we got maybe between 4 and 5 inches of snow on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and I filmed this clip I think 6 or 7 days later, and we still have snow on the ground, a bunch of ice. Here's a cute little bird in my bird feeder, but I really wanted to document this because this is probably the longest I've ever seen snow on the ground here in East Tennessee. But let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay guys, so I am calling this a realistic winter home tour. I'm just sharing with you guys the entryway and living room winter decor. If you would like to see my kitchen winter decor, be sure to check out my last video, and I shared with you guys the process of cleaning and decorating that whole space. But I really wanted to share with you how I decorated the living room. So here on the end table, we just have this little snowy tree arrangement. And then for the couch, I kept it really simple and neutral. The black and white striped pillow covers are from Amazon, as well as the dark like forest green pillow covers. So you can see the color scheme we're going with for winter. It's just very neutral, blacks, whites, the flocked greenery, and some dark greens. Here on this table, I have a nice winter scented candle. It smells like Christmas trees kind of, but it's got that like wintry pine smell, and I have that sitting in a flocked wreath. And then over here on my antique corner cabinet, I kept it pretty simple as well. We have a flocked tree, a little snowflake, and then throughout the shelves I just added in some little bottle brush trees and some snowflake decor. And then this last shelf here at the bottom is my favorite. These are battery operated timer candles I got from Amazon, and they come on in the evenings for a couple of hours, and I really love having that glow over here. And you'll see why I'm calling it a realistic winter decor tour, and that's because I didn't remove any of Grant's toys for this video. So this is what my house looks like 100% of the time. Sometimes I do stage it for videos, but we have toys around here. We have a 3-year-old boy, and he loves all of his trucks and cars, so they are everywhere. We're moving on to the entryway table. Again, it's very simple. I did switch out the artwork on the wall back to that wreath print that I keep up all year, but here's how my tiered tray turned out for winter. I kept out a bunch of these pieces that I used in my Christmas decor, but just paired them together with more neutral tones and took out all of the red decor to just make it nice and wintry. Okay, you guys, so I have a fun unboxing to share with you guys today. So this is called the Tiered Tray Decor Box, and this sweet lady was so nice to send this to me to unbox on my channel and to share with you guys how to use the pieces in it and to review it for you. So I'm going to unbox it with you. First of all, I want to say that the packaging was so nice, and whenever I opened this, I was like very, very excited. This is her January box. I will have all of her information linked in the description box below, so you guys can go check out her Instagram and her website. Yes, so this is the January box, and it is filled with all Valentine's Day themed items, and everything is so cute. And it looks like she is just sourcing these products and then putting them together in a bundle for you. And I just really loved all the pieces. Here's a good look at what comes in this tiered tray decor box. So I'm going to go through with you guys item by item. The first is this little sign that says "Be Mine." The heart on it is actually raised up, so it has kind of a 3D element. And this one does have a hanging spot on the back, so if you wanted to hang it on the wall, you can. It also came with this pack of these cute little pink stems, and these are so pretty. They would be perfect for Valentine's Day, but I'll probably also keep these out for spring decor. We have another cute little miniature sign here that has XOXO, but the O's are hearts, and these are also kind of raised up off the sign as well, so a little bit of a 3D element as well. Then we have this 3-pack of wooden hearts. They are tied together really cute. You can use them as is, or you can just take the twine off and use them separately. But I love the color scheme, the reds, the whites, and then that really nice soft pink. This last sign looks like an envelope, and it is double-sided, so you can turn it either way depending on how you want to use it in your decor. And lastly, there's this really cute little ceramic mini vase, and I love the little feet that it has on the bottom. I've seen where you could trim down those stems and put them in this vase, but I ended up using it in a couple different ways. So here I'm going to share with you guys some different ways you can use all the items in this tiered tray decor box. So I'm putting together an actual tiered tray arrangement with them first, and I did add in a couple of my own Valentine's Day themed items, probably mostly just from like Hobby Lobby, like this beaded garland you see here. But all the pieces that come in the box on their own are so beautiful and easy to work with. I really love how they make a cohesive look. So of course you can use these items on a tiered tray as I'm using them here, but if you'll stay tuned just a few more minutes, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of other spaces that I was able to use these pieces. Even though they are small, they're really ideal for using in any place you want to style. They're just cute little touches that you can use throughout your decor. And I think each month she comes out with a new box. You can subscribe to her box as well and get them every month. And I think each one has a unique theme, and they're very pretty and seasonal. So be sure to check her out, Tiered Tray Decor Box. I will have all the links in the description box below. Okay guys, I'm going to share with you how I was able to use these pieces to also style my antique corner cabinet. The tiered tray sized pieces are perfect for this cabinet because it's pretty small, and I like just using little seasonal pieces here and there. But if you guys are interested in this tiered tray decor box, check the description box below. I'll have her Instagram page linked as well as her website. And for my subscribers, she has been so nice and given us a 10% discount code. So on your purchase, use the code KindlyKatey10 for 10% off your first box. And I hope you guys really enjoy this. I had such a blast working with all of these pieces. Okay guys, that is going to be it for today's video. It was short and sweet, but I hope you guys got some decorating inspiration. Be sure to check out Tier Tray Decor Box. Again, I'll have all the information and the discount code in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. My Valentine's Day clean and decorate video will be coming up next week, and I can't wait to see you guys then. Bye!